group two graphs into the Word file. So usually we have two ways. Here is my graph, okay, and this graph has been made by origin file. As you can see here, this is a graph here. First of all, we need to export the graph like this, and after the exporting the graph, usually we prefer this diff format, and then we will give a name. So already we have given a name, and then we need to specify the folder where we are going to put our graph. So I have saved it here. After saving that, what we have to do is we have to copy this graph and then we will paste onto the PPT. Okay, now after that we need to work on the where exactly we want to bring a closure, or we want to, let's suppose we want to make some changes in the height or on the width, and also we will check so both of them have the same dimension. Now what we need to do is we need to click control and then we will just right click and then we will say group. Now this is group, so you can see here we can move the graph together like this. Otherwise both the graphs cannot move together. Now what we need to do, we need to control C, and suppose we want to paste this graph to a Word file. Suppose this is my Word file. Now I will just paste it here. Now we need to minimize this. This is my graph. Now if you want to change the format, so you can see here, now there is a problem here. This box is coming on the as a graph like this. So now what we need to do, you can delete this one, and now when you paste, so you get these options. So what we just need to click on the figure on the third option, and then you can resize it, and then if you want to format, so just click on this one. Now there is one more option. If you want to group your figure using the Word file, what we will do, we will simply copy this figure and then we will paste it here. This is our, let's suppose this is our first figure. Now after choosing this option, you can move your figure from here and there. Now similarly we will copy the another figure. This is our second figure. And suppose we want to merge both of the figure. Now after choosing this layout option, we will just try to merge, make sure the figure are of the same dimension. For doing this, we need to check the size and position. This is 2.77 inches, and let's suppose for this one, this is, we need to make now these are of same dimension. Now make sure they are equidistant from each other, and then we need to select, and then you can see there is an option called group, the one we saw in the PPT. We'll just say group. Now this is group, same like that, and then when we need to format, we need to put a box here, so we will just click here. It is taking the box inside the figures. This is a bit difference between matching of the two figures in case of PPT and Word. This is was all for today. We will be uploading more videos related to the editing of the files on the Word or PPT.